Tired of visitors to your Facebook page struggling to navigate to your products or services? I'm Emily, and in this tutorial, I'll walk you through the steps to add Shop Now button on Facebook page. Let's get started. First, open Facebook. Tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Then tap on the icon next to your profile picture. Then switch into your page. Now again, tap on the hamburger icon at the top right. Then tap on your page. Then tap on the three dots beside See Dashboard. Tap on Edit Action button. Tap on Edit Buttons. Scroll down, then tap on View Shop. Tap on Link to Website. Then put the link of your shop. Then you can tap on Save. Now people can visit your shop website easily. You can also remove the buttons if you like to, by simply tapping on Remove button. And this is how to add Shop Now button on Facebook page. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss our upcoming videos.